This is how you replace the DermLite DL4 battery. Here's what you need: a DL4, a battery, and an Allen key, which is included with the replacement battery. Use the Allen key to loosen the set screw that holds the battery cap. It is not necessary to remove the screw completely. Then pull off the battery cap and disconnect the white battery connector. Remove the old battery and dispose of it safely. Insert the new battery and reconnect the battery connector. Close the battery cap, making sure not to damage any wires. While pushing on the battery cap, tighten the set screw. Finally, push the power button and make sure that your device is working. And now you know how to replace the DermLite DL4 battery.